Hello there. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of activating your SSL certificate on Namecheap. Securing your website with SSL is crucial for protecting your data and enhancing your site's credibility. So, let's dive right into it. To start, you need a CSR code, which is essential for activating your SSL certificate. This can be easily generated from the control panel of your hosting site. If your website uses cPanel or WordPress with EasyWP, you can find the option to generate a CSR code within these platforms. Make sure you're logged in as the admin. Navigate through the dashboard and look for the option to generate a certificate signing request, CSR code. Once you have your CSR code, keep it handy as you'll need it soon. Now, let's activate your SSL certificate. Begin by logging into your Namecheap account. Hover your mouse over your account username in the upper left corner to access your profile menu. Then click on Dashboard. Here, you'll find a section for SSL certificates. Click on it, and you'll see your SSL certificate listed with an option to activate. Paste the CSR code you generated earlier into the provided field and click Next. To verify your domain ownership, you'll need to add a CNAME record. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in the necessary details and click Next again. Review your information, submit the form, and wait for Namecheap to approve your SSL activation. This process usually takes no more than a day. And there you have it. You've successfully activated your SSL certificate on Namecheap. If you're interested in using Namecheap for hosting and domains, check out the link in the description for some great discounts. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.